Here's load 113. Status is completed. The trip is done, so the driver settlement is ready to process. Head to Driver Settlements. Open the settlement for trip 112, load 113. Review the details. Once verified, approve the settlement, generate it, and change the status to Sent. Now let's group multiple settlements for the same driver. Click Group, select the settlements, and confirm. The grouped settlement now appears with all selected trips. Click the drop-down to review each trip's individual details. After reviewing, click Generate Settlement. One clean payment for all the trips combined.